Our goal is to help companies become pioneers within the industry, establishing a new quality standard for the semiconductor industry as we move forward. The semiconductor industry is experiencing a period of rapid expansion. In order to meet this challenge, we need to have speed, efficiency, and collaborative data ecosystem, where you can bring all the important parameters from a material together with the device manufacturer's key process steps and enable collaborative data sharing. Basically, think of this as finding the needle in the haystack. Athinia allows suppliers, material suppliers, as well as device manufacturers to come together to be proactive around identifying the key parameters that matter to the device performance early in the process, and then establish a predictive model for how that material impacts the process. So as you go forward and go through the yield ramp, if there are deviations in the process, you can identify those very quickly and respond. I think this is a really important question around security and IP protection as we look at establishing a data ecosystem within the industry. First of all, Athinia has the highest level of data security. Coming to the IP topic, the data sharing is enabled by coding and normalizing all of the data. And so you can learn across the ecosystem around the key trends without having any IP contamination. And this is a really key foundational element of how we've designed Athinia to be enabling for the industry, but also allow for each individual company to maintain their IP security. Athinia is the only semiconductor industry-wide many-to-many data platform that enables companies to come together to share data in a way that also has high level of data security and IP security. And this really enables us to solve the materials challenges both now and for the future.